Alright, this is flight number 2 of the Daddy rocket. And, alright, so Aiden gets to push the key button down. Okay, keep it, hold it down. Don't let go, Aiden.
Okay.
Audrey, count it down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
Push the button.
Push the button. Go.
Push it all the way down hard.
Let it get it.
There it is. Go get it, guys. Well, it's coming down right over here. Here it comes, over here. Ah!
Can I do mine?
Whoa.